Okay, so today we're going to talk about derivatives of trig functions. Sine x, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Tan is secant squared x. Okay, every once in a while, you will see the secant x. Secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x.
Where did they come up with these things, Mr. Hall?
You know.
Okay. Now the cosecant and cotangent, like I said, I'm going to do everything I can to not put it on the test. So just letting you know. I mean, I could ask you to do something else later on, okay, but that's later on.
You
Not
say
later on.
do everything you can, like you don't write the test.
Yeah,
yourself.
for chapter 3, for the chapter 3 test. Okay. So here we go. This is it. This is all you need to know. Okay. So now let's go ahead and do. Let's see.
This is the
Yeah.
secret of life.
Let's do example number 1. Let's do example number 1. So in example number 1, we have. I'm not going to do A, I'll do B. Let's do B. Find the derivative of cosine x divided by 1 over 1 minus sine x. Cosine x over 1 minus sine
Well,
x.
you
And we're taking the
square
derivative
it.
of this.
It becomes-
So how am I going to do this?
Well, you can square the
What
bottom
is
and
this
get rid of
called?
the denominator.
Oh yeah, what is it? It's the quotient rule, right?
I don't
Okay,
remember.
so
1 minus sine x squared, right?
And it becomes cosine.
And then
And then you do bottom.
low
low.
d high. So I'm going to take the derivative of this. What is the derivative of this?
Negative sine x.
Negative sine x.
Negative sign.
And then minus high. Then I'm going to go d low.
What in the world,
So
Mr.
you
Hall?
have to take the derivative of the low, which is going to be what?
Negative.
Negative cosine x, right? Because there's a negative in front, right? That's that negative right here, right? Okay.
Oh, sure.
So this is it. So I'm going to go ahead and just,
Cosine x
Go
is
like
Negative
that.
squared.
sine x
and on the
Wait,
top I'm
why?
going to get
plus
Why did you change it to a positive?
just
cosine.
negative, negative. We're multiplying, right?
Okay.
Negative sine x. These two multiply to plus, is there something that rings a bell
1.
here?
There's 1. It equals 1.
One.
I said that
So
like
this guy here is 1. Oh, this is 1.
I said this like 10 minutes ago.
You did?
Yeah.
What?
Now what happened?
Yes, I did, Griffin.
You just can't say
Now what?
you didn't.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Right? So I'm going to get 1 over 1 minus.
Wait.
That's great. We good? Get
Isn't
that?
that what we started with? What did we start with?
I was with cosine.
Well, they had the cosine. The cosine just went away once we took the derivative.
So,
It's no
just,
longer there.
but now what?
What do we know? That's it. That's the answer.
How is that an answer? There's no numbers in it.
It says take the derivative. I took
How
the
can it-
derivative.
So we're not finding, I thought we were finding a slope.
No, not in this question.
What is the derivative then?
Okay, so let's do example number 4. That one asks for a line. So let's do example number 4.
What are we
How
gonna
can
do
it be a
for
rate
our
of change if there's no
calculus
numbers
section?
in
Are we
it?
gonna do calculus?
Well, this one will have numbers in it.
Yes.
Example number 4.
I'm running out of money.
Example number 4 says, find the equations for the lines that are tangent and normal. Not just the tangent, but the normal line too. Okay, to the graph of that. So tan x over x, this is the function when, and I want to do this when x is equal to 2. So what's my point?
Ship it to you.
What's my point? What point does it go through? 2 and tan 2 over 2, right?
Oh, okay.
Where did
Why?
you pick up?
Because you just put the 2 into that.
Put the 2 in here, right?
Is it saying that's the points too?
What's the point?
I have to know the point because I'm trying to find the tangent line, right?
Wait, are we
At this
making
point.
X is equal to 2?
Or where is x? Oh,
Wait,
it's
is
underneath
X
it. It's
equal to
underneath
2?
it.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take the derivative now. So f prime is equal to
X times
x
secant squared X.
squared,
Times X.
right? Low d high minus high
Wait, what?
d low. Okay, we're done, right?
Because
Because d low is
1x.
1,
So
right?
10.
Because it was
Yeah,
x,
no.
right?
Oh, it's x. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Wait,
But-
so
Right,
Still
so
Silly
says
goose.
one.
You start with low, and then you go D high.
Low
Then shouldn't
to
it be
low.
S squared?
d high
I mean, is that one the
minus
prime?
high d low. Derivative of x is 1. There you go. So when x equals to 2, it's going to tell us what's going on, right?
So you just plug 2 in.
Okay, so 2 times
So f of prime when x equals to 2 is equal to 2 secant squared 2 minus tan 2 over 4. Right?
And we just put in our calculator and blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah,
and
blah.
this is obviously
easy work.
0.291, right?
So-
I'd be so
Makes sense.
Negative 0.291.
We're not
Put
there
in your
yet.
calculator.
That's too easy.
No, it says it's 3.43.
Oh, 3.433? I read the wrong line. I read the next line.
So it's obviously not
3.433. So the tangent line equation is, this is the slope that goes to this point, so it's going to be y minus tan 2 over 2 is equal to 3.433 x minus 2. Where the normal line is going to be
Negative 1 over 3.433.
It's the opposite reciprocal.
opposite reciprocal,
Which
right?
is where the 2.
0.291 comes in. Okay? We good?
Yeah.
Let's do one more. Example number 5.
So we aren't doing
Sure.
Example number 5. We have if y is equal to secant x, find y double prime. So y is equal to secant x. So y prime is, just as I told you before, secant x 10x. Right? So, if I want to do y double prime, what do I need to do?
what was the product rule again?
It's the product rule, right? So I take the derivative of this, which is secant x tan x,
Okay.
and I just keep this guy, tan x, right? Plus, now I keep this guy, and I take the derivative of this guy, right?
Okay, got it.
So then I'm gonna get secant x tan squared x plus secant squared x.
How?
Because it takes.
I just pulled out the secant x,
Mr. On.
and that gives us absolutely nothing, but it makes it looks prettier. Yeah, you could have left it like just secant x tan squared plus secant cubed if you wanted to.
If you so desire.
Okay.
Okay.
But you see how it's really kind of simple, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Pretty easy.
Sure.
The general
I mean,
principle is simple until you have to do it.
Really, right?
Until the numbers, I still don't get where the numbers come
All right. So you feel good with that? Are we feel comfortable with that?
Totally.
Okay. All right. So that is the end of 3.5.
Are we done?
We're done